For our last section in this lesson, we're going to be now looking at absolute value inequalities with a greater than symbol. So if you have something like this, it's going to be split up into an OR problem. In terms of thinking about why that would work, we'll do the same thing we did in the last video, where we're going to come up with this easier problem. Absolute value of x is greater than 3. So using the definition of absolute value, this means what values are more than 3 spaces away from 0 on a number line. And that would be things like 4, 5, 6, or -4, -5, -6. So the values to the right of 3 and the values to the left of -3 are more than 3 spaces away from 0 on the number line. That's why we end up with an OR setup here. Let's take a look at an example. We have a greater than or equal to sign, so this means we want our expression, 3x minus 2, to be more than 8 spaces away from 0 on the number line. So that means the 3x minus 2 is either to the left of -8, so less than or equal to -8, or it's to the right of +8, so it's greater than or equal to +8. And then we'll solve both of them just like we usually would with inverse operations. We get x is less than or equal to -2, or x is greater than or equal to 10/3, which is the same thing as x is greater than or equal to 3.3 repeating. If you were to graph that, we would need our values on our number line. And we've got values less than or equal to -2, as well as values, we'll estimate here a little bit, about 3 1/3, greater than or equal to those values.